All right, welcome to Talkin' Investing. I am Tom, and as always, this is not financial advice. Today, I want to do my Bitcoin and Bitcoin miner daily update. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, please smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. You will see in our pinned comment, there's a link to our free Discord. We'd love to have you over there joining the conversation. Bitcoin and the Bitcoin miners had a good day. Bitcoin had a very good day. Most of the Bitcoin miners had a good day, but there were some mixed results. So let's start out by taking a look at the big board. Okay, the first thing you'll see is that despite Bitcoin having a very good day, and we'll go to the chart and show you, it was up several percent on the day. There are two companies that were in the red, and this seems to be a trend. There's a couple of companies each day that are lagging behind. Today it was Coors was down 1.36%. Irene was down 4.23%. There were also several other companies that were somewhere just around 1%. Cipher was up 1.37%. Greenidge was up 1.42%. So that was underperformance for sure versus Bitcoin's performance on the day. Having said that, there were a few big winners on the day. So DigiHost was up 12.94%. That was the biggest one on the board. And Wolf, which is TeraWolf, was the second biggest one at 11.67. So there were a few that had double-digit gainers on the day. Several other Bitcoin miners had very good days. Bitfarms was up 7.59%. Hive was up 8.5%. And you can see, I'll let the big board sit there for a minute and you can look for any other miners that you're interested in. Everybody else was green and had a fairly good day. So hopefully everybody made money today. Let's go take a look at the Bitcoin chart and see what happened. This orange line, there's two orange lines. The bottom orange line is where Bitcoin was when the equity markets closed yesterday. So from the close yesterday until the close today, you can see Bitcoin was up over 4%. So that puts things in a little bit of perspective. So the miners did have a good day, but with Bitcoin up 4%, and at a new local high, I actually was expecting the Bitcoin miners to do a lot better than they did today. So it's a good day. I don't like to complain on basically a green day, but they are still lagging behind what they should be doing. So this chart is the Bitcoin chart on the 15-minute time frame. So each one of these candles represents 15 minutes. So you'll see this is the close of yesterday to the close of today. Okay, if I zoom out a little bit, this is Bitcoin on the 2-hour time frame. So each one of these candles is 2 hours. This was where Bitcoin closed on Monday of this week. This is now the close of Thursday. So from that mark, Bitcoin from the close of equity markets on Monday to the close of equity markets on Thursday, Bitcoin's up 6.74%. So this had a lot of upward momentum. I'm going to zoom out again and really put it in perspective. Okay, this is the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour time frame. So now you'll see this is basically February and March activity. Right here on February 24th, Bitcoin hit a local low. If you remember, on January 24th, Bitcoin got down to just under 33,000. And then again on February 24th, it got down to about 34,000 and change. Since that day, you can see this is a trend line that has held very strong. This is an ascending trend line. We have been going up for a month. Momentum is definitely up. In that time frame, which is just 1 month, Bitcoin is up almost 28%. So that's a nice run. And a lot of the signals have flipped bullish. So I am still holding out that we're on our way to 45,500. And hopefully to 46,000. And then we'll see from there whether or not we can continue the bull run up. Let's take a look at the 1-day chart. Okay, this is the one that really shows me that, in my opinion, we have had a breakout and we're on the way up. This pattern's been playing out since the beginning of the year. It started here on January 1st, and you can see this top line was tested several times. We tested it here and here. We almost had a breakout here at the beginning of March, pulled way back to the bottom, and now these are daily candles. So this is yesterday and today. Both of these candles started and finished outside of this wedge, and that is the first time that has happened in 2022. So to me, that definitely is a signal that we have a breakout. I don't know how far this is going to take us, but what I have been predicting for the last several weeks is that we were going to retest this line here at about 45,500. You can see we tested this once in February. We tested this at the beginning of March, and now we're coming up on a month later, and I feel like we're making a run towards this line. So hopefully we have enough bullish momentum left to get back to retest this line, and then we're going to have to see what everything looks like at that point to see if we can close a daily candle above this line, preferably above 46,000. If so, then that would signal the next leg up of the bull run. If not, then this would be the third time that we get rejected at this line. So this is the RSI on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, and you can see we went above 50 back here on March 15th, and we've stayed above ever since. So my theory has been that good things happen above 50 on the RSI on the one-day time frame, and it has been playing out that way. We actually pulled back down to about 52, where it looked like we were losing our momentum, but we're now at 60, almost 61. This is a really nice run up, and there's still a lot of room left before we are overbought on the daily RSI. So I think this is more than enough room to get us to test 45,500, and then we're going to have to see where we go from there. This is the MACD on the daily time frame. If you remember, we had a positive crossover the very same day that the RSI crossed over 50. We've had bullish action ever since. You'll see the histogram is now showing stronger and stronger momentum, so that is good. Back here a few days ago when the RSI dipped, it looked like we were losing momentum, but the momentum is back on track. All right, so I'll just finish up here by looking at the Bitcoin 15-minute time frame just to see where we're at. We're at about 43,850. The market is closed as of right now. We seem to be bouncing off of this spot. We did get as high as about 44,200. So we're hovering at or around 44,000. It would be nice to stay somewhere in that neighborhood and see if we can take the next leg up. So that's all I got for you on Bitcoin today. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.